While the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 series may not feel very old, the time has already come for the next iteration. The Galaxy Watch 6 could be one of the best smartwatches of 2023. The Galaxy Watch 6 series should be worth considering for those looking to upgrade existing hardware or join the smartwatch club when it launches. But before jumping headfirst into a purchase, it's important to know what the price is. So let's get started. The Galaxy Watch 5 series launched at $279 for a base model device. The Pro model, available only in a single size, launched at $449. The Series 5 launch prices were roughly $30 higher than the previous generations. For the Galaxy Watch 6 series, Samsung will charge a little bit more for the base models. But this is not at all bad news, because both of the classic models will be slightly cheaper than the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro models. The Galaxy Watch 6 starts at $299 for the most affordable 40mm model. At the same time, the 44mm variant will sell for $329. Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. So we get a larger display with Wear OS 4, upgraded features, and this would cost you around $300. With improved activity tracking and more advanced features, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 is a capable smartwatch. Large display and full Samsung Wallet app make the Watch 6 a powerful standalone device, while integration with the Galaxy Z Flip 5 makes the Watch 6 a valuable part of your Galaxy ecosystem. Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, you can expect the 43mm model to come at $399. The 47mm model will be available at $429. The rotating crown is back on the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, updated tracking features, and Wear OS 4. This would cost you around $400. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is better equipped than the base Galaxy Watch 6. The Classic model is a powerful watch with updated activity tracking, improved health features, and the full Samsung Wallet app for your mobile payments. In the UK, the Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic start from £289 and £369 for the smaller models, and £399 for the larger variants, respectively. The Galaxy Watch 6 series will be available around the globe. Pre-orders in the US for both the Galaxy Watch 6 and the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic start from July 26th of 2023. However, these devices won't reach the store shelves until August 11th. At the first glance, the Galaxy Watch 6 looks nearly identical to its previous generation. According to Samsung, the active display area is 20% larger than on the Watch 5, and the bezel is 30% thinner. The same holds good in for the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. In early May, Samsung announced a few key features that will debut on the Galaxy Watch 6. These will arrive with One UI 5 watch. So we have features like sleep tracking, fitness tracking, irregular heart rhythm. Samsung is also updating the fall detection for even safer workouts. Thankfully, if you buy a Galaxy Watch 6 and upgrade to the Galaxy S24 later, you don't need to reset your watch during the transfer. Going into specifics, the 40mm Watch 6 offers a 1.3-inch Super AMOLED screen with 432x432 resolution. In comparison, the 44mm variant delivers 1.5 Super AMOLED with 480x480 resolution. So now we'll talk about the battery on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. The 44mm has 425 mAh battery, and the 40mm will have 300 mAh battery, and there is a WPC based wireless charging. And now let's know about the battery on the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. The 47mm will have 425 mAh battery, and the 43mm will have 300 mAh battery. The Watch 6 and the Watch 6 Classic share the common Samsung Exynos W930 dual core 1.4 GHz processor. Both share a common RAM that is of 2 GB and a common storage that is 16 GB. The most important thing on any watch is a sensor. So the Galaxy Watch 6 has many sensors, and some of them are accelerometer, barometer, geomagnetic sensor, light sensor, temperature sensor, and much more. While the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic has accelerometer, barometer, gyroscope, and much more. Last but not the least, we'll know about the compatibility. So both the watches, that is the Galaxy Watch 6 and the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, are compatible with Android 10 or higher with more than 1.5 GB of RAM. So with this, we wrap up this video. I hope you've liked it. Subscribe my channel for more. Give this video a big like if you've liked this video. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time.